How to change payment method on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change payment method on Temu. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. You will then be able to browse through the product that you look forward to purchase. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for your payment methods. Tap on that. Now, go ahead and tap on the Add a Credit or Debit Card button, and in the interface that you will be led to, enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV, and further tap on the Add Your Card button, and with this your payment method will be added or changed if you already had one. So, this is how you can change payment method on Temu. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Log and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.